Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today, we're diving deep into the future of luxury with the 2025 Genesis X. This car isn't just a showstopper, it's a game changer. Whether you're a fan of cutting-edge technology, exquisite design, or thrilling performance, the Genesis X has something for everyone. Let's get started. First off, let's talk design. The Genesis X is a masterpiece of modern automotive aesthetics. Its sleek, coupe-like silhouette is enhanced by a bold front grille and stunning LED headlights that give it an unmistakable presence on the road. The long hood, smooth lines, and wide stance exude confidence and elegance, while the fastback roofline adds a sporty edge. And let's not forget the 21-inch alloy wheels, which perfectly balance sophistication with sportiness. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that's all about luxury and innovation. The interior features premium materials like Napa leather, natural wood trim, and brushed aluminum accents. The minimalist dashboard design is centered around a curved OLED display that seamlessly integrates the digital gauge cluster and infotainment system. The Genesis X also boasts an ambient lighting system that can be customized to match your mood, making every drive a unique experience. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 Genesis X is powered by an all-electric drivetrain that delivers an impressive 450 horsepower and 400 lb-ft of torque. This means you can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds. But it's not just about speed. The Genesis X is designed for agility and comfort. With its advanced suspension system and precise steering, this car offers a smooth yet exhilarating ride, whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating twisty backroads. When it comes to technology, Genesis has left no stone unturned. The X is equipped with an advanced driver assistance system, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and autonomous emergency braking. The car also features a next-gen infotainment system with a 15-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium 20-speaker sound system by Lexicon. Plus, the over-the-air updates ensure that your car's software is always up to date. But what really sets the Genesis X apart? It's the blend of luxury, performance, and sustainability. The all-electric powertrain not only provides zero-emission driving but also offers a range of up to 350 miles on a single charge. And with fast charging capabilities, you can get back on the road in no time. So, there you have it, the 2025 Genesis X, a perfect blend of style, innovation, and performance. It's more than just a car, it's a statement. If you're looking for a vehicle that turns heads, thrills on the road, and respects the environment, the Genesis X should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews. See you next time.